Accessing Zoom webinars is easy. To find a Zoom webinar, you will need to go to the Village of McFarland website. To find a Zoom webinar, hover over the drop-down menu labeled Government, then click on Agendas, Minutes, and Packets. This will take you to a new page. This is the Agendas, Minutes, and Packets page. You can find current, future, and past events here. Let's say you want to find the Zoom webinar for the Library Board meeting on July 22nd. Click on the link that says Library Board and make sure that it is listed with the right date. A new page should open up. Click on the Agenda tab at the top of the page. This is the agenda. The Zoom link can be found towards the top. Click on this link and it should take you to the Zoom app. If prompted, we recommend you download the Zoom app if you don't have it downloaded already. A sign-in page should appear. Enter your email and name and click Join Webinar. You will now be added to the Zoom webinar. Stay in the know. Follow us on social media to get the latest updates on what is happening in the village. Don't forget to tune into our cable channels for announcements and other local community content.